I'm happy in most of the 10s. As long as I don't have to run the mouse.
I haven't done this one in a while.
Alright, that was one of them I was thinking about.
All right, 3, 2, 1, battle.
No.
Yeah, we're not even in yet.
Mm-mm. No, we didn't get put in with everybody else though.
Right. Still a lot of 10s. There's been a lot of tier 10 heavy battles lately, it seems like.
All right, you want to go up or?
What are they? They only have a 62, so yeah, I guess let's stay up. Well, yeah, if we go, we'll be too light up top, so.
Okay.
I'm going to start onto the left, just since the IS-8's up there with you. Focus on the one flanking tank, maybe.
Thanks for running into me.
I love it. The Patton just totally jammed everybody going up the hill.
Alright, got some spotting in. That is certainly not everybody.
Nope.
But I haven't seen the Star Destroyer.
Alright, IS-8's going to die. Alright, well the object is...
Oh, I thought I bounced the object. Those 704s are such troll.
So
That E100's heating, or
Yeah.
HEing, so. Oh god.
Yeah, I just bounced.
There's the destroyer. Alright, the cavalry's coming. That IS-8, wow.
183 just bailed.
Something just shot me from down below.
And I just shot the frickin' wood.
I have dirted twice in a row. I don't know what this gun is doing.
That's how this gun works.
Oh, it's that IS-4. That's what's shooting me.
Where's he at?
I could not figure out. He's
down there.
in that crevice down here. But I figured our flank would keep his attention, but they're not. Let's see if he's going to do it again. Nope, he turned away. Alright, we can focus on the top again.
Who's freaking screaming help? 12. 12.
Oh gosh. I got him. Alright, I'm gonna go by the IS-7. Help down below a little bit.
And then I
figure you can handle that.
Yeah, we'll wait and see. Considering how many I've already bounced off him.
Oh, I just left 32 on the T-62, so we're both doing it.
Him again.
Let me know if you need an extra gun.
No, he's turning. I can hopefully get him now. So, 62 there.
Oh my gosh, I bounced the Star Destroyer in the face and he snapshot me. Wow. I shot him perfect. He's one. Just pop him with heat. He's on the other side of the rock. Now the 62 got him. No or missed. Well, good job. I think you carried again.
I
I
don't
can't
think
believe
did.
that
I
Star
bounced
Destroyer
so
snapshot.
many shots on that one. I'm a little bit scared actually to look.
No, I mean, you still had a good game.
Yeah, fired 13. 12 were hit. Yeah, I bounced 3. Ugh.
I think that's about how many I dirted, so it's the same difference. I'll take it, though.
When is the update coming, by the way? Is it next week?
It's not confirmed, but probably.
Yeah,
That's usually the path it takes.
yeah, they always start leaking a week before and are talking about it. And
Yeah, we'll probably get patch notes at the end of the week. Because the buffs, nerfs look interesting. Because it sounds like the tortoise is getting obliterated.
well, I only have like one battle in mine, and I hated it. So there goes the
Oh.
chance to fix that.
Yeah, it was a great tank, but if it's as hard as it looks, then I'm just gonna sell it. I mean, done with it. I think I'm in the top 50. It's good enough.
Yeah.
Sorry, what time?
The tortoise.
Yeah.
But then the 95 is supposed to
Sure.
get a buff.
Hold on a sec. Snowy wanted to chime in with us. You want me to move
It looked
her
like the VKB looked like it was going to get another buff.
Hey, Snowy.
A pretty big one, actually, to the armor. They were saying that front plate was going to gain 30 millimeters of armor.
Holy cow.
Which would make it almost invincible angled, right?
Mm-hmm. That's an extra 90 millimeters almost.
Yeah.
120. Yeah.
Alright, what are we running?
Are we staying in 10?
Sure. I got more times twos. You out, Mastiff?
Oh, I've got Snowy. I got time for a couple of games, so. Hang on a second. What? Yeah, sure.
Alright,
You
you
get
ready?
that? Okay. Hang on. 2 seconds.
1, 2.
Yeah. Next,
I had
go.
to choke that down.
Yeah.
Oh, it was bad. Oh, my in-laws for Christmas, to kind of round out whatever they were doing, just got me a bunch of mini bottles of stuff I'd never had before. And so I've been drinking the random stuff, and I hit what was it? Wild turkey American honey. Oh my god, that took some choking down.
That just sounds rough. Alright, you ready
It was
now,
rough.
Mastiff?
It was rough.
I'm ready. I've been ready.
All right.
I'm just.
Okay. 3,
3,
2, 1, battle.
3.
Oh, long queue times.
No, but we got it. Ooh, but they gained a merc.
Yeah.
I have no clue who that is, but. And we are light.
Yeah.
Like, super light.
Thank you, matchmaker.
And they get an extra 10. Gosh. Whew, this could be exciting. So I'm gonna look like a bum here at the start.
Sounds good.
But it's intentional.
Oh, that's where I was going. You bum?
Oh, do you want it? I can
No,
move.
it's fine. I try to keep my butt covered down here, see if I can spot anything. Like the Merc. Whoa, Snowy.
Snowy went way up there.
Oh, there's a couple in town now, too.
Yeah.
I got 2 guys staring at me. Not quite sure what they're going to do, I don't think.
Nice, Snowy. Snowy in the shadow?
I don't think so. Oh, I got. That Merc guy was smart. I bounced off of him, so he took a Hail Mary shot at me just to wake me up. He didn't actually do any damage, but got a track in there.
You watching the stream while we're playing, Sue?
Hmm.
Oh, hey, there's an E4 down here.
Yeah, let me know if you need help over there.
And there's a Snowy now looking at me.
And we got an IS-7 pushing.
Yeah, I got two guys staring down at me now. Oh, I missed your tumor.
So did I. Man, lots of misses.
I'm getting just taken apart here.
Yeah, we're trying.
Yeah, and succeeding.
Oh, misses. Probably gonna have to turn around soon.
Yep.
Not quite yet. Be nice to get this E4.
Oops, sorry.
You're fine. One shot.
I'm
And
gonna
then
push.
I'm
Here
gonna
comes
turn.
E100.
Oh, something. Got a lucky.
Oh,
Ow, nice.
and
Lucky
then I-
shot there, Mastiff.
What?
I thought you were the one that just hit me.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Alright, I got Merc.
Now I got both of them.
Oh,
over here.
Snowy. And then I got blocked out by the 103. Awesome.
And I'm bouncing everything.
Yep. Oh, I thought I got out of the way of that gun. Our own 103 kind of did me in there.
Yep.
Blocked me out.
Nice game, Snowy.
Yeah,
Yeah,
nice
well,
game,
that's-
Snowy. Alright, one more.
Sounds good. Heavy or medium?
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, let's do that again then.
You ready? Hang on. Are you guys ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, battle. You guys go in?
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah.